Happy 4th of July, friends!
Hey!
Yay! Today is Independence Day here in America, and we have come to Disneyland to celebrate.
Because it is the most American place in America.
That's right. We're going to fill the day with some patriotic stuff and just kind of mill around and see what we can find. We expect it to be pretty busy, but so far it hasn't. Parking was a breeze, and there's not a lot of people out right now. But we're about to head into the parks, and we'll keep you updated on what it's like on the 4th of July. So if you want to come on a 4th of July, you can kind of know what to expect.
Yeah.
So we're in, and as soon as we walk in, look at all the American flags and banners, and I'm pretty sure the train is coming. I can hear it. Here it comes. Yeah. I love walking in and seeing the Disneyland bed like as soon as I walk in. It's my favorite.
Left me hanging.
Goofy picking up trash. That's an all-American hero right there. Look at it! Oh my god, that's amazing. Disney magic.
It's like a PSA.
It is. Look at him. Now it's time for some great moments with Mr. Lincoln and some ghosts, it looks like. We are waiting to see great moments with Mr. Lincoln now. This is a replica of, or a little model of the Capitol. There's a great painting of Mr. Lincoln back there behind it. This is where we'll enter to watch Mr. Lincoln give a speech himself. Over here are some busts of the spirits of America.
Ever since I was a youngster, I've had a great personal admiration for Abraham Lincoln. So when we decided to bring to Disneyland's visitors some great moments in Mr. Lincoln's life, we began an exhaustive research. We wanted to bring to the people of today the inspiring words of the man who held this nation together during its moment of greatest crisis, the Civil War.
A few moments later.
So we couldn't film in there, but Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln is so good.
Yep.
It was the last, or it is the last show at Disneyland that was directed by Walt Disney.
Yeah.
So it's amazing.
He loved Abraham Lincoln. He even dressed as him as a kid.
Yeah, and he used to do little skits with his little friend at school and recite the Gettysburg Address and stuff. So it's really cute and really awesome that he was really into it. And you can tell that he directed it.
Yeah.
Because it was awesome. And everything that Abraham Lincoln said still holds true today.
Yep.
Like, everyone should hear this, but so come to Disneyland and listen to Abraham Lincoln.
It's very underrated.
And get woke.
Yeah, get woke.
Okay, so we're in the Emporium now, and look at all the American stuff here. So we got ears, which are, I'm assuming, $27.99. Spirit jersey that I am assuming is $60. Look at this sweatshirt though. I like the Mickey stars. It's pretty sweet. Like a little hoodie, but without the hood. So the Spirit jersey is $65.99. Not bad. We have this tank. Oh, look at Mickey on it. this shirt, $34.99. Look at the plushes. Mickey and Minnie, all American Dad. See how much they are. $21.99. The light up necklaces.
I know it's
Orange. How much is orange?
I don't know.
So I don't know.
But
Some more plushes down there. Found your hat?
I have found the most American hat ever made.
Because it has a beer opener on?
It's got a beer opener and it's a Disneyland hat that says Land of the Free. Ears to America.
Cute.
Most American thing ever.
I like how this has a Mickey on it.
Yeah.
And it's a bottle opener under it.
Yeah.
Alright, so how much is it? $27.99.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at the Nike one. Like the Nike
that's
visor. I like that. You can wear this anytime. $29.99. That's not too bad either. Oh, the American Glow necklace is $15. This is what this is. I like this top. It's cute. $34.99. Here's a lady's hat or visor. It's cute. It's got the little knot on the side. $24.99 for this. Ooh, and another American thing, a fanny pack. Minnie on it. Disneyland. How much is this? $19.99. I like that. And here's a backpack too. It's made of like sweatshirt material. Very cute. I don't see. It's $44.99. Oh, there's like a dress over here. This is cute. $44.99. Happy 4th of July. In Jolly Holiday Bakery, there's some American cupcakes. It's hard to see with the lighting, but they're $4.99. Top of wrapped. Tom Sawyer's Island. We missed this wrap. We have to wait. Let's go into Dead Man's Grotto. Ooh. Is it scary in there? Is there a dead man in here?
No. It's dark. I can barely see a thing.
Yeah, watch your head, Daddy. There's some little
I can't
places.
see a thing. Whoa.
It's scary in here.
There's like a bridge.
Jack Skellington said, beware.
Where are we going?
Looks like there were some people in here and they abandoned it. Ooh, there's a treasure chest. Ooh. You think there's treasure in there? Ah! Kennedy did something. You touched their Davy Jones treasure.
Little tremble before the beating heart of Davy Jones.
This is the heart of Davy Jones.
Yeah. So you
Oh,
try.
look at what happened to that guy that kept messing around.
This
You better-
this chest that holds the heart of Davy Jones.
Okay, let's go. Can you go in there? Beware the cursed treasure.
Ah, I seen that. The treasure's mine, says I. Now off with you.
Wait, is that Lumiere right there?
Oh yeah, that might be Lumiere. There's something right here, you guys. Put your hand in there. Whoa!
How it disappeared?
The treasure disappeared when you put your hand in there. Ooh, magic! What about this one? Oh, there's a ghost in this one.
Touch not behold. Darn me, bro.
Weird. He lives in that bottle.
Like no way out here.
Yeah, there is. There we go. We found the way out. We did it. Okay, so something just happened over in Town Square. Maybe that was the flag retreat that they normally do, but they added some fireworks. And we missed it. Spin it! Spin it! Go, go, go! Fast! Ah! Hi, Jude! Ah!
Look for the bare necessities, that's Mother Nature's recipes, the simple bare necessities of life.
15-minute wait for pirates. Don't bend it.
Never lay eyes on it, nor this here key neither. Quiet.
Rascals and scoundrels, villains and knaves, look out for me, Hardy, show home.
Man, Jungle Cruise is only a 10-minute wait. It's not bad here today, for real. A Nile Princess.
My name is Angel and I'll be your skipper, guide, and gun instructor for the next 3 months. Before we continue the cruise, please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet in the boat at all times, and please watch your children. Thank you. Oh, would you look at that? They all came out to play and say hi to you guys. Feel free to take out your cameras, take a couple of pictures. They all happen to have their trunks on today. We are now entering the African zone. We have quite a few animals here. I would like to point out that we have some zebras, we got some long-necked cheetahs, and those black ones, they must be new. Oh, would you look at that? Those lions are protecting that zebra while it sleeps. He looks dead tired. Them wiggling their ears means they're going to attack us. So, I'm going to get a little bit closer to scare them off. Cover your ears. That did the job. Let's get out of here before they really attack us.
It is currently 2 hours before fireworks are to start, and you can see there's already like a crowd congregating right here, so people are already lining up for the fireworks. Oh, look at these babies. Hey, baby duckies. I'm so shocked to still see baby ducks in July. But like there were none this time last year. They're like swimming upstream too. Their little legs getting it. And they're not getting very far. Oh my goodness. The mom's like, get out. That one's like, oh, I get it. Sunset update. It is now 1 hour until the fireworks are to begin. You can see where we are in the crowd. Behind us.
Is that from last night?
It's pretty important to get here early for the fireworks on the 4th of July.
Very. So,
There's fireworks somewhere.
Yeah.
So we're like, what, 20 minutes away?
Something like that.
Yeah, it's like 9 and 10 right now.
Been here for a while.
This might be the last time we do this.
Why?
Well, just the firework part. I think I would come on the 4th of July again, but I would not. Like, I would just stay doing attractions. I wouldn't stop for this fireworks.
Well, it depends on how good it is. If it's got the big finale like at Epcot, I'm gonna be satisfied.
Well, it's not like a New Year's finale. That's a different situation.
But it's America. It's got to be like that.
If it doesn't make me cry like a normal Disney show, I'm not doing it.
Okay.
A vibrant palette of cultures and colors. A country whose pioneering spirit continues to live on in the hearts and minds of people who cherish freedom in this land and around the globe. continues to inspire those who believe in their dreams. From sea to shining sea, we are proud to share all that this great and beautiful nation has to offer.
From sea
so great.
Yeah, I had a good time. I've had enough America though.
I'm just tired
Yeah.
in general.
Yeah.
So it was a great day. It wasn't too crowded, but
No.
it was at firework time.
Yeah, I've never seen that many people in Disneyland. It was a lot.
They were all on Main Street, like
Yeah.
everybody. But it was a great show.
Yeah.
We did it.
Yeah.
We did a 4th of July at a Disney park. We can mark that off our bucket list.
Indeed.
So, have you been to a Disney park on any kind of holiday? Was it crowded? What'd you think? Let us know.
Down in the comments. Yeah, we're gonna go
We're
home.
gonna go home.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us today, and remember,
Disneyland is your land.
Bye.